Hi there, and welcome again to another Christmas in July video to show you a couple of things I've made getting prepared for Christmas. The idea is to make things now so you don't get stressed out in December. So I've been making Christmas cards. I'm working through a paper pad, and this is one of the 4 or 5 projects that I have going on. And so here is one of the cards, and I don't really have the card sketch because what I do when at the end of my paper is just cut all the paper, put in the background, and then cut different shapes, whether it's the banners or squares or rectangles or circles, and just make cards with that. So there's one. Now this one I've popped up this light bulb. This snowman is also popped up, and I've put some Nouveau crystal drops on there. Now I loved this gingerbread paper. So there was a strip of it backed on some cardstock, and he's popped up along with the sentiment. And since I loved him so much, this was part of a full-page spread, and I just cut around him, die cut some shapes, and added that onto the card. Ahead of time I had made some embellishments, and I just took the embellishment and put it onto the card once I got this far with the card base. And then again, I'm using those crystal Nouveau drops to add a little bit of shine to that snowflake. Now these are 2 of the same version, basically. So the tree is popped up, and so is the little light bulb, and he's got a little shine to him also. And last but not least is the Christmas tree that was on a full-page spread, so I just trimmed him down, added a pinwheel for the top, and I had made some packages, and that makes the final card of this collection. Now, I did make some other cards that were not Christmas, and let me show you those. Cards that I made using the same paper, but obviously they're not Christmas cards, but I did want to use up some of the paper, and I had used the sheet load of cards July sketch and added the pinwheels as embellishments for a couple, and of course those. I had die cut the balloons and added a little bit of alcohol ink just to add some dimension to that. So that's something else you could do with holiday paper, especially in this case it was so bright and colorful. These made perfect everyday greeting cards. And that's what I've made for Christmas in July. Go ahead and check out the other videos in the playlist, and there will be more projects coming up soon. Go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell, and thanks for watching.